Are you struggling to calculate sales commissions using Pipedrive data? Then this video is for you. You can automate everything in Sales Cookie, an AI-powered commission automation platform, and it even has a native sync with Pipedrive. So let's jump in. Start your free trial at salescookie.com, no credit card needed. Next, go to Account, My Workspaces, and create a new workspace for your company. Then go down to Settings, Connections, search for Pipedrive, and authorize read-only access to your data. Next, go to Settings, Advanced, to predefine some custom fields you use in your Pipedrive deals. Custom fields are useful for commission splits, overrides, and to pay commissions based on deal stages such as closed won, etc. Next, go to Transactions, add transactions to fetch Pipedrive data. I'm syncing deals since my commissions are based on that. I'm pulling data starting from the start of 2026, and I want Sales Cookie to fetch new and updated deals every hour. During your first data pull, Sales Cookie walks you through simple mapping steps so you can correctly credit the right reps, teams, and territories. Once your mapping is set, Sales Cookie saves your preferences and updates your data hourly. No manual work required. Within minutes, you can see your Pipedrive data inside Sales Cookie using the field names you already know. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate commission calculations using your synced Pipedrive data. Ready to take the next step? Book a one-on-one demo on our website or start your free trial today. No credit card required. Thanks and see you next time.